Hi, are you looking for high pay scale jobs? Are you looking for the best training technology in the market? If you are looking for a technology which is very safe in the limelight always, then yes, you guessed it right. It is SQL DBA, SQL Database Administrator job role. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I have been into this IT industry for more than 19 years, completely into database and Microsoft technologies. I assure you practical step-by-step learning classes. I am here to guide you. I am here to make sure you have a valid, fruitful, lengthy, solid resume. Trust me. Let's get into the details of SQL DBA. For 19 years, we have been dealing with the trainings, consulting, operations for various MNCs across the globe for their induction training programs and recruitment activities and more. With all my touch and skill set, with expertise on the technology, I'll make sure the classes are practical, real-time, job-oriented with complete resume support, end-to-end projects, and mock interviews. As a SQL DBA, what exactly we do at our job desk? Come on, let's have a look at it now. What is database? Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. As a database administrator, we will be involved in number one, data storage management. Number two, data management, security, monitoring, and repair and troubleshooting. In our course, we are going to learn all these elements very carefully, step by step, with 100% hands-on. Assume a car that needs service, denting work, maintenance, monitoring, and so on. Same is the case with the database. A DBA is responsible to manage the database. A DBA is responsible to monitor, service, and dent the database. So database administrators involve maintenance, repair, security, health check activities, upgrades, and high availability HA and DR, disaster recovery activity. My classes include all these elements practically. Next, our entire SQL DBA course is planned for 10 weeks, Monday to Friday, and complete step-by-step practice with everyday assignments. This entire 10 weeks DBA course is divided into total of 2 different modules. Number 1, the SQL Basics and Basic DBA module, Core DBA. Number 2 comes Advanced and Azure Cloud DBA module. Left side Core DBA module for about 6 weeks and the right side Azure DBA module for additional 4 weeks. So total 10 weeks lengthy journey. With your support, my technical practical classes, I'm sure we can easily win the DP300 certification exam from Microsoft aimed at the DBA job roles and resume scrutiny. What exactly we are going to learn in this course? Well, you see on my screen a 50-point checklist for core DBA and additional 40-point checklist on my screen now for the Azure DBA. So total 90 items we need to justify with examples. I am here to guide you step by step on all these aspects from scratch, from the basics. So anyone can join my course. You can join, your friends can join, your colleagues can join, freshers, experienced, anyone, everyone can opt for this beautiful course. Trust me. Let's have a live interactive demo. Let's meet live online to understand more about my classes. Please join me for the live webinar. You got the schedules on our website, sqlschool.com, or you may also call on any of our numbers, this or this. Next, I shall be waiting for you for the live demo class, and come on, let's join together.